Valentine's Day is here, the most romantic time of the year, and today I'm making 3 easy and delicious cocktails that are perfect for date night. Let's start with the Valentine's Love Bug, a sweet and refreshing cocktail that's easy to make and looks beautiful. So get a glass, add a little bit ice, get 1 strawberry and cut it on tiny slices. And we're gonna garnish the glass with the slices and then cut them as a heart shapes and decorate the glass with them. Add more ice. Add more of them, add 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of grenadine, 2 ounces of cranberry juice, and top it off with Sprite. Garnish with the strawberry heart shape. There you go. And there you have the Valentine's Love Bug. The second one is a strawberry cream cocktail, a dessert style drink that's absolutely delicious, rich and creamy. For this you need 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 2 ounces of strawberry vodka, and 1 ounce and a half Irish cream. Blend everything. And this is how it should look like. Get a fancy glass. Here I have this beautiful glass and pour the cocktail inside. Wow, this looks so good. And garnish with the chocolate whipped cream. And there you have the perfect strawberry cream cocktail. The third one is a Valentine's Love Mimosa. It's very beautiful, served with unique rose-shaped eyes, and it's simple and delicious, perfect for champagne lovers. So the first thing we have to do is we have to cut the strawberries very tiny, like a rose petals. Cut them very tiny, as much as you can. Now put the strawberry inside and try to put it to looks like a rose. Now you have your roses ready, you just have to put water inside. Okay, add some water, perfect. Now you have your rose ice ready. Put them in the fridge and after they freeze, we're gonna come back. Okay, the ice is ready, so let's finish the cocktail. Let's add strawberry ice. Perfect. Add 1 ounce of grenadine and top with champagne. So beautiful. And there you have the perfect Valentine's Love Mimosa. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and let me know what cocktail you want to see next. Cheers and happy Valentine's Day. And if you like my cocktail recipes, I have a book with 246 cocktail recipes available in ebook and paperback edition. See you next time.